Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. This episode, I'm finally going to start rebuilding this turd. This is the VG30 that was originally in my ute. About a year ago, I broke a piston in it, number 1. This guy right here. Smashed all the ring lands. So, my fault, too much timing, not enough brains. Smashed number 1. And it's been sitting here ever since. So, I'm going to put a fresh set of pistons in it, bearings, just give it a really basic rebuild and have it sitting ready because I want to push the motor that's in it now to breaking point. So have this motor freshened up, ready to go, then I can push the other motor harder and find the limit of something with it. Then I can put this guy in. So I'll start off by pulling passenger side head off, I'll pull the pistons out, pull the crank out, pull all the extra accessories, water pump, you know, all this shit, knock sensor, all that sort of crap. And then I'll probably next weekend I'll give the block a good clean, give it a paint, make it actually look half good, and just start from there, start from scratch. All right, no stuffing around. Let's pull this nugget apart. Okay, heads off. Everything looks pretty normal except for number 4. See the little marks? They're there and they're on the head as well. So it looks like number 4 might have eaten something at some point. Or little pit marks. So something must have fallen into it or I don't know what. But everything else looks fine. Alright, all the pistons are out. Now, if we remember back, piston 1 broke 2 ring lands and it broke the middle ring. What's interesting is number 2 also broke ring lands, but it didn't break the rings. So they're the chunks there. So number 2 still had good compression, even though it had broken ring lands, but because the rings are intact, whereas number 1, it was the middle ring broken, and that one had very low compression and very bad leak down. So that's kind of interesting. So they're all out. Bearings look all right. So that's all good. Next, I guess I'll pull the crank out. apart. She's all apart. Crank looks good. Bearings look good. Everything's great, except for number 1. So this guy that I pulled out like 10 months ago, that's got some surface rust on it because I left it exposed. So, but it's very light. You can almost wipe it off with your finger. So very light. Probably sandpaper will get rid of that. And all that's fine. All the rods are fine. So all I gotta do next weekend, pull the rest of the shit off this. So filter that, water pump, get the dowels out and stuff. Then I'm gonna give this a good wash, give it a hone, clean up all the surfaces and give it a paint. So that'll be next weekend's project. All right, before I finish this video off, just want to say a big thanks to you guys. I just ticked over 300 subscribers the other day. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to me. Plenty more things in the future. Obviously, this little series, I'm just starting with this motor. It's going to go for a little while. I've got more things to do to the Ute, more things to do to the Falcon, and hopefully some more cars in the future. So stick around. Fun times ahead. But that does it for today. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.